Hello everyone. Now I will introduce you how to update the Arkbird 2 and Arkbird lite. The update method is almost the same, but the Arkbird 2 have two CPU. One is the upper one and the second is the lower one. You need to register the lower CPU. And for Arkbird lite, it has only one CPU. You have to register the lower CPU is the same as the Arkbird 2. Arkbird 2's upper CPU mostly you do not need to update it, but I will demonstrate you how to update the upper CPU. Firstly you need to remove the shell and use the update wire from the supplier. You can see there is 4-point ground, TX, RX, and 5 voltage. We plug it to the corresponding port. It's here. It's near the upper CPU's surface. You can see that the connection ground is ground, the white wire is TX, and second wire is RX, and the last wire is 5 voltage. It's press. You notice there is a button. Press this button while plug the USB port to your computer. Firstly, you open the document. This document, the update menu and the driver is in this document. I have already installed the driver in my computer, so I do not need to install my driver again. If you are first use this update software, you need to install the driver first. I have installed the driver, so I directly press the update file. You press these two selection, but you unselect these three. You notice that you do not need don't select these three, and you use the update file given from this document. There is two hex file. One is the lower one, and the upper CPU's hex file can be used directly, but the lower one is for registered user only. So we do not use the hex for the first time. We press the upper CPU and press to start ISP. And the progress is going. So after this progress, the upper CPU will be updated successfully. Okay, it's very easy. So we unplug it, and so the upper CPU is updated successfully. Now I'll demonstrate you how to update the lower CPU. Plug this port, the ground wire, to the upper port. The 5 voltage to the middle of the port. The white wire to TX. The RX to RX. You can notice that the ground is black, is the upper one, and the TX is the TX's lower one, and RX is RX's lower one, and the 5 voltage in the middle of the 3 ports. Press this button while you connect the GPS port, the USB port. Plug this button while you plug this USB port and open up the program. Open up this program, you press read chip information. Okay, you can see this read out is protected. We cannot read out the protection. We press the erase the chip we erase the chip information, and we press it again. Okay, we cannot receive information, and so we have to unplug it and plug it while pressing this button, and we press read chip again. Okay, we read out the unique ID. You can see that 48FF68 is like this. What now we have to do is to send back this ID to the Arkbird's email, and we can get a registered hex file. We have to notice that is Arkbird 2 update. Okay, we have the title Arkbird 2 update as well at foxmail.com. The receiver is Arkbird at foxmail.com, and you have to notice the Arkbird 2 update, and you press send. Okay, it is successfully sent to the Arkbird's registration mail, and the register method for the first time needs one work day or so. So mostly I suggest to avoid the weekend. You send this email for 1 weekday, you can get updated mail. I have sent it for example, I have sent it yesterday, and I get this hex file. Their customer use this hex file is to, okay, I will download it to my ground, to my desktop. Okay, and I will select the hex file from the email. You can see from the email, and I press start ISP. Okay, start ISP, and this program is going well, going smoothly. And notice that do not select the options, or there will be unexpected error. Okay, you can see this autopilot is updated successfully, both the upper CPU and the lower CPU. For the first time you use the registered hex file, you have to send an email, and if you have registered it once, the next time you can directly use the register user only hex file from this document. You do not need to send the hex file, do not send the ID to the Arkbird at Foxmail again. You do not need to send again. You have so it has been updated successfully. How to test where it is working good? You can use the ground station system to test the autopilot. You press open the server port. Okay, we got information from the autopilot, right? You can see when I tilt the plane, this information is doing as well. You can see when I rotate the plane, it's going well. But I have not connected the GPS point, so it stays in the 0 point. So I can use this autopilot directly. So for more information, please check our website arkbirdfpv.com for more information about the ground station and the autopilot update. Thank you.